Sunday, April 25th, over at Nick's for a body update. Steady progress. It's looking very sharp, I have to say. So let's show you what's been going on. Nick's been busy, and car's starting to feel like a car. So it's very encouraging. So let me show you. So the last look we had this door off, and Nick was reskinning it. You can see it's just come out amazing. The Monoque body panels, man, I tell you, are just really working out exceptionally well to the 1/8 of an inch. So we don't have the sill clamped on at the moment, but the fit with the door with the sill is looking extremely sharp. So this was the side that had the accident, or had an accident, and was completely stoved in, and then they pulled it out. So now we have basically a brand new door. And everything fits and shuts, so that's looking really good. Then this front end is on. It's only held in by a couple of bolts at the moment, but everything lines up 100% square. So Nick has this front end on and off as he needs to finish up the front, but these bulkheads on both sides now are totally done. Everything is again square. It's going to be interesting to do a before and after. I'm going to have to figure out how to learn how to do that. All of this is welded in now. Both sides are actually 100% done. Torsion bar fits. We don't have it in at the moment, but basically just drops straight in. Wonderful tight fit. So this front end is really looking like a car. This footwell, everything is totally welded in now. Last time we were looking was partially done, and then this just looks totally amazing on the inside. The floor was all split on this side. That front bulkhead had been bashed in, and they basically filled it full of Z-bar to make it watertight. But now we have it all square, all welded in. Really looking good. So what's the next thing, Nick? What do you want to do next? We still have this 3/4 to do, right? And then we have the repair on the inside to do first. Is that what you're going to look at? Oh no, we got the sills to do.
Yeah, we'll probably finish up the rockers.
Right. So this is the actual floor, and we went with Monocoque side impact beam that basically runs the length of the rocker, and then the sill stiffeners are welded in on top of those into the top of the floor. So we got that to do. That's really going to button up the front end, I think, isn't it?
Yep, that'll be that. You've got the battery mount that we'll need to fit in those the inner mount brackets that go
Right.
inside the sill and the end sill plate.
Right. You can't see right now, but this is within an inch, within a 1/16 of an inch square and parallel. So really pleased with the alignment generally. Managed to rescue the picture frame. That needs a little bit of welding work. Then once this end is done, this corner is done, we basically have to do the same on this side. We've got to do the repair on here, and then on the inside, and then the same on here. Well, all that's got to be renewed. And then the sill has to be fitted. But really tangible progress. This car's going to look stunning. This is really going to look stunning. Taken some time, but Nick's a magician, man.
Did you go inside the door shelf? So since we had the outer panel off,
Yeah,
that gave us access to the inside of the shell.
yeah, sure.
An area media blast can't quite get. So we went for a couple rounds inside the media blast cabinet and blasted the entire inside of the shell. And then self-etch primed it and then installed the new skin. So the inside of the door is as clean as it'll ever be.
What Nick is talking about is in there it's all been shot blasted and then media blasted and then primed. So yeah, you're a stud, man. Thank you. He's happy, look at him. Oh, his mum's going to be pleased to see him in the video. All right, catch you later. Thanks.